Yo, what's good, guys? Here's an in-depth explanation of the trade I took today. So it is April 24th. First thing I did when I got in the markets, I marked out Asian session, London session, and New York session. Then I marked out Asian high, London high, and London low. I didn't mark out Asian low because we already pushed past it. Alright, then I marked out this 4-hour high right here. Then I marked out these 4-hour and 1-hour lows down here too. Then price came right into London high, and we had a 5-minute breaking structure to the downside right here. Then I drew out 5-minute equilibrium, and the 1-minute tapped into it. Then we got our breaking structure to the downside right off this candle. So I entered long. So I entered long. Then I targeted London low, and when I got hit, I moved my stop to break even. Then I got stopped out. So I got a 35-cent profit for the day because I risked 50 cents and I took a partial position. So yeah, pretty good trade today.